Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we employ simple cooking techniques to make really great meals. And in today's episode we're making a quiche. Quiche is very simple, straightforward. But before we get into that, like always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and let's get everybody cooking like a man. So without any further ado, let's get into it. To make the crust, we're going to start off with 2 cups of flour and a teaspoon of salt. We're going to sieve that to remove any lumps in the flour. Add about 125 grams of butter into the flour. Use the tips of your fingers to mix the dough and butter. Then you're going to add about 7 teaspoons of water into the butter and flour. To make the filling, we're going to start off by removing the moisture from the spinach. I have used the same spinach recipe as in my 3-course meal, and the link to that will be on the top right hand corner. You can go check that out. Into a mixing bowl, you're going to crack and add 3 eggs, 500 milliliters of fresh cream, and a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Bake the dough at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then remove the dough and add your spinach, your chicken livers, cheddar cheese, or any cheese of your choice. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. Then remove and leave to chill before serving. So yeah guys, I hope you saw how easy it is to make a quiche. I really do hope that you guys will make it at home and enjoy it. And like always, if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like, comment down below. Tell me what you think of this quiche, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay blessed.